Please tell me I'm not the only person that this has ever happened to. You get up one morning, you're minding your own business, you go to get in the shower, and you look around and you think, yikes, who lives here? Because it's so dirty. And the idea of venturing into that naked, makes you fear for your life. And it's not like you haven't even recently cleaned the bathroom. But cleaning the bathroom doesn't always include cleaning the bathtub or shower. Or at least not for me. That's the high level of cleaning the bathroom. Cleaning the bathroom and cleaning the shower, that's almost two separate chores. Today's video will help you with all the tricks and tips that you need to clean the bathtub and shower like a pro. Hi friend, I'm Amy on A Lolly Life, and you light up the room when you walk in, and I'm so glad that you stopped by. Let's start by removing all the shampoos and soaps from the shower. Depending on the type of cleaner you use, ventilation could be important. Anything with bleach or other harsh chemicals requires ventilation. I'm going to be using cleaning vinegar, that's one of the things I'll be using today, and so that would benefit to have the vent fan on. I use Barkeepers Friends, Dawn dish soap, and cleaning vinegar. I also use rubber gloves, a scrubby pad, paper towels, a small flat container, and a secret ingredient, which I will share with you later. It is amazing. It makes your hardware shine like new. Barkeeper's Friend, I sprinkle it over the entire area, and then I leave a little pile of it off to the side that I can dip in as I need to for the really tough areas. Barkeeper's Friend works best as a paste. Barkeeper's Friend tends to clump up in humid environments, like the ones with lots of water in the air. Yeah, humid environments. It's pretty normal for powder cleaners to clump up in humid environments. And when this happens, I just take the bottle and I bang it up against the sink or the counter or the tub in this case and break up the clumps. I'm careful to choose something that won't break or be damaged by a few strong bops. So be careful about that. If nothing else, the concrete floor in the garage works well. I use dish soap for 3 reasons. 1, it's good at cleaning things. 2, it foams up and makes your scrubby slide over the surface easier, and it makes it easier to tell where you've scrubbed and where you haven't scrubbed. And my favorite reason, number 3, because it helps clean out the drain. While it doesn't do much for cleaning the hair out of the drain, it is amazing for breaking down the grease and the skin cells and the leftover product goop and the other stuff that goes down the drain. So using it to clean the tub is also using it to clean the drain. Win-win! Cleaning vinegar. It's vinegar that's formulated at a special cleaning strength. It's safe and versatile and a cost-effective alternative to other cleaners and chemicals. And it's fabulous on hard water buildup. Use the dish soap liberally, generously, lavishly, abundantly, freely, profusely, a lot. I just turned into a thesaurus. Scrub away. Generally, you should scrub from the top to the bottom, but sometimes I also scrub the really bad areas first. When you scrub the really bad areas first, then you can put a little bit more cleaner on them and give them some dwell time so that the cleaner has a chance to work on those really bad areas. Then I give it a second scrub a few minutes later. Still, it's a good idea to clean from the top to the bottom. Also, use a cleaning toothbrush to scrub out the tub shroom or whatever else you have that's collecting the hair and gunk stuff from going down the drain. Rinse it down. Having a sprayer helps, but you can use a cup or a pitcher to drizzle water down the walls. It still does a pretty good job. Pour some vinegar into a small flat container and then dip your paper towels into it. Then put the vinegar-dipped paper towels on the faucet or any place that you have hard water spots or other buildup. Clean the entire rest of the bathroom while you let the paper towels sit. You need to let it sit for at least 30 minutes, longer if you have really bad buildup. I've let things sit for hours and hours and hours before. You might have to carefully pour a little bit more vinegar on the paper towels to keep them moist. I've even heard of people leaving it like that overnight for extraordinarily tough jobs, although I have not done that myself personally, and I have no idea if that would actually damage the hardware. I guess I don't think so, but I don't know. Truthfully, if it was so bad that you felt like you needed to leave it overnight, it probably is at the anything is better than this point, and so it wouldn't matter. Remove the paper towels and use a cleaning toothbrush to brush off the hard water spots and the other buildup. Give the faucets another short scrub after you finish that. Just make sure they're all scrubbed up nicely and rinsed.
Hooray!
Now for our secret ingredient. It's Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Rub down the faucets and then buff it off with a paper towel. I do this for 2 reasons. 1, those pesky hard water spots don't show back up. You know the ones I'm talking about? The ones where when it's wet, it's not there, but as soon as it dries, it's there again? I hate those. And 2, it forms a protective barrier that helps keep it clean longer. Something that helps things stay clean longer has a special place in my heart. I love it. And voila! Check this out. See how clean this is? That is definitely professional level cleaning. You are a ray of sunshine on a dreary day. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Know that you are making a difference. Keep moving forward. You've got this. And I'll see you next time on another episode of A Lolly Life. See ya, friend.